Are you tired of having a dry, overcooked turkey every single Thanksgiving? Because that's tiring. Hello, I'm Margaret, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect juicy roasted turkey this Thanksgiving. In this video, we will be covering how to make the perfect skin, how to make it all golden, crispy, and how to make sure the turkey is juicy and not overcooked or too dry. You will definitely be impressing all of your family, friends, everybody you're inviting. So, let's get started. By the way, guys, every single time you make a turkey, it's always fun to name one. This one's name is Jerry. First, we are going to pat the turkey dry after removing it from the packaging. We are going to do that by using paper towels so they soak in all of the excess liquid from it. After we have patted the turkey fully dry, we are going to season the inside of it with both salt and black pepper. Make sure the inside of the turkey is evenly seasoned. After we have seasoned the turkey, we are going to do is carefully separate the skin from the turkey. You want to make sure you don't rip the skin while doing this. Follow the same steps as you see in the video. Next, we are going to combine all of the ingredients for the butter mixture that we are going to be spreading on the turkey in one bowl. We will be combining 1 cup of butter, or 2 sticks, with a 1/4 cup of parsley, fresh lemon juice, fresh lemon zest, 3 garlic cloves, and with both salt and black pepper. We will be mixing our butter mixture by using a fork, or you can use your hands like I did. Once you've combined your butter mixture, add about 3 tablespoons of oil to make it smoother and easier to work with. When the butter mixture is ready, we're going to take about 2/3 of it and place it under the turkey's skin, focusing on the turkey breast and legs. Follow the same steps shown in the video. Next, we're going to spread the butter out evenly with your hands. Again, follow the video instructions. Just a warning, this is going to get messy, so be prepared. Spread the remaining butter mixture on top of the turkey's skin. Once the butter mixture is spread, take 1 onion, cut it into quarters, and place 1/4 of it inside the turkey. Next, we're going to add 1/4 of a bunch of parsley inside. Then we're going to add 1/4 of a lemon inside. After that, we're going to add 1/4 piece of the onion, and then we're going to add 3 garlic cloves in. After, we're going to add the remaining 1/4 bunch of parsley, and then we're going to add 1/4 piece of onion and 2 pieces of lemon. Lastly, we're going to add our final quartered onion piece, the last garlic clove, and the remaining 1/4 piece of lemon inside of the turkey. Now we are going to get some kitchen twine. Make sure you get twine that doesn't burn in the oven, or else you could accidentally set your turkey on fire. Next, we're going to tie the bird up with the kitchen twine. If you don't know how to tie the bird, I recommend watching and pausing the video while you make this to see how to correctly tie it up. When tying the bird, make sure to secure it well so it stays in one place while cooking. After securing the bird, drizzle it with olive oil. Next, get some tinfoil and fold it into a triangle. I learned this trick a few years ago and it ensures your turkey doesn't burn in the oven. Once you've folded the triangle, drizzle one side with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and rub the 2 sides of the tinfoil together to evenly spread out the oils. Place the tinfoil on the turkey, shaping it to fit the bird and creating a mold for later use. Once the mold is made, set it aside. We are going to be putting the turkey in the oven at 430 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and then we're going to take it out and put the tinfoil mold that we made before back on and put it back in the oven. After 20 minutes in the oven, grab a kitchen brush and spread the melted butter from the bottom of the turkey baking dish onto the turkey. When placing the turkey back in the oven after those 20 minutes, ensure that you put your mold on top of the turkey. Reduce your temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to put it in for 1 hour, and then we're going to take it out and we're going to butter it, and then we're going to put the turkey in back into the oven for another hour. After an hour has passed, use the turkey baster to spread the melted butter over the turkey again. I'm going to warn you, your house will smell amazing at this point. After fully buttering the turkey, put it back in the oven with the mold on for another hour. After that hour has passed, baste the turkey one last time to make sure it tastes incredible. And there you have it. Your perfect Thanksgiving turkey is done. Here I am, cutting into the turkey to show you how amazing the meat looks. This is amazing. It's flavorful, the skin is soft, it's not dry, it's not overcooked. And personally, our family loves this recipe because it always turns out perfect, like this. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a video. So, if you guys have any family traditions for Thanksgiving, please let me know down in the comments. And see you guys later.